Hi, and welcome to the DE Physical Education Flip Learning videos. Hi, and within this video, we're going to look at using the interactive Monopoly game. The first thing you're going to need to do is add your questions. So you want to go to the third slide, and you can see all the questions pop up. So if we just zoom out, you can see all of the ones you can add in. So you can change every single one of these to make it harder for your students. We'll go on to one of them, for example. Oh no, you have to do it just like a text box, double click to highlight it all, and then you can add in your question. For example, 1 plus 1 equals, and then they can answer it. If you want to just check that it works, you want to look for Regent Street. So remember there's 2 for each one. So as you remember, there is 2 for each one. For each property, there is 2 different questions, just in case a group lands on the same one twice. We just want to double check that our Regent Street works. So we click off it, we open up this page, and we just click on the Regent Street, just checking that it comes in. So there it is. That was our right to the top on our Regent Street. You then just repeat this process for all the questions. So when you start the PowerPoint off, it gives the students an introductory video. Obviously, you don't have to sit and watch this. You can just skip on. And then it tells you what to do on the board. So press go for instructions. You press go. We're going to split the class into 4 groups. Each group's going to start with $2,000. Each team selects a playing character. You're going to click the character to make them active. And we're going to roll the dice, click the character 1 time for each number the dice is rolled. Click the top left or right each street name for a question, and click the question again to carry on playing. The active character has the chance to answer the question to win the amount of dollars shown on the board from the banker. However, if they get the question wrong, another team gets to answer this selected question. We're going to click the Monopoly Man to start playing. As you can see here, we have our 4 different characters within the game. We've got our dog, we've got our boat, we've got our car, and we've got our shoe. We're going to click them all to make them active. I then get the class to roll a big dice. I often find using the ones from maths works brilliant for this, the big interactive ones. So let's just say the dogs rolled 3 and they land on Whitechapel. I'm going to click the top left or right because these are 2 different questions. And the question is going to fly up. So name a sport that benefits from cardiovascular fitness. If the group gets the question right, they get to win 60, as it says here for the value of the property, 60 Monopoly dollars. We then click it for it to fly on, and the next person would then roll. Let's say this person rolls it and they end up on chance, because this one's slightly different. As it lands on chance, you go to the chance section, so here, and there's 4 different ones. Each corner is a different question within the chance board. We click one and a random general knowledge question will come up. Again, you just click it to get it to go away, and you continue playing. The winner is the team that gets the most money, or the first team around the board. Once it gets to the end, due to the animation, it does stop and you have to go back to the beginning. So once it gets to Mayfair, you have to stop and go back to the beginning. However, I often find that we don't get all the way around the board. Every student doesn't get all the way around the board within the lesson.